So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Appian Way, or cube snake puzzle is what I normally call it. So apparently this actually comes from a series of culture puzzles, true genius cultures apparently, and it's like Norse, Aztec, Chinese, Egyptian, Greek, and Roman, which is sort of bent there. But this is I think the Roman one, yeah, because it has the same color. But let's just go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so we got. Okay, finally got this out. And this is actually not bad quality. You can see the string there. Maybe, I don't know. But, yeah. It's not bad. So I'm going to attempt to solve this. This might go horribly. So, yeah. Okay. So, here it is scrambled, and my grandparents has one of these, and the reason I got this, despite there being a bunch of other puzzles there, is because, well, I scrambled their puzzle and I wasn't able to solve it. So, I sort of just wanted to, fix the puzzle for them. Well, not fix it, solve it. And, yeah. So, yeah, I have no idea where I'm going with this. Okay. Yeah, this might be a bit harder than I thought. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this really, because this doesn't fit anywhere into it, unless, yeah, there we go. And then we did this maybe, no, not that, this, no. That won't work. Okay, it has to be somewhere here. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Okay. This is very confusing. Okay. What if we turn this? But no, because it rotates here. Okay. I'm just going to sort of cut this and come back when I... Wait a minute. Yeah, no. I can't figure this puzzle out as of right now, but I'm sure I will eventually figure this out. This is Puzzle by Project Genius, and, Also, it also has these weird, like symbols. I don't know. But, it's a cool puzzle. I can't solve it as of right now, but I am going to learn how. And also, if you're wondering about the glue in the background, this is for a project. I'm not going to tell you what that project is, but I'm probably not going to be posting for a while because this project is going to take a while, like a really long time. I'd say maybe a month or two, but most likely will take longer than that, depending if I'm working on it nonstop or not. So, this was a cool puzzle. And I hope I learned how to solve this, and if I do, I will make another video. So, see you next video. In a really long time because of the glue experiment, but see ya, and see you next video.